So, why would you attend a workshop on landing pages for your affiliate marketing programs? Well, I'm going to try to explain that to you with a little bit of help from my magic whiteboard. Now, imagine that you've got a fantastic product and you're ready to roll it out. You create an affiliate program and offerings, and it begins to bring that sweet, sweet affiliate traffic to your door. Your landing page is going to convert at a certain level, and if that level is not high enough, your affiliates are going to be like, well, wait a minute, I'm not making much money with this. They're going to take that traffic and give it to someone else who has a better offer and maybe a better landing page. So if you can get that landing page to convert at a higher level, what could happen? Well, they might decide to keep sending you that delicious traffic that they have, making both you and them money. So when we talk about increasing the conversion rate of a landing page, we're not just talking about making this much more money. We're talking about making a lot more money because the landing page crossed this magical threshold that lets your affiliates send you more and more traffic. And we all know that affiliates can be a little bit fickle. I'm going to show you how to build these landing pages using data. The cost of collecting behavioral data has dropped to essentially zero, but our landing pages haven't gotten that much better. So I'm going to take you through the process of designing a landing page and show you where you can plug in inexpensive, easy to access data to help you make the right decisions and improve your conversion rates. And as the Magic Whiteboard has said, this could be a beautiful long-term relationship with your affiliates. Affiliates love good landing pages.
I'm Brian Massey, and if you want to increase your conversion rates, come to AM Days in New York City. That's May 23rd through 24th. It's a part of Affiliate Summit East 2022. I'll be presenting my workshop, Conversion Optimization for Affiliate Landing Pages. I'll tell you everything you need to know. Sign up now, and I'll see you there.